Guys, DJ Darren here just did the world famous bumper tuck on my Crown Vic. Super awesome. So normally the bumper hangs down, it's like an arch, so it hangs down about 5 more inches down, and then it kind of scoops the air as it comes back, so it's not good for your mileage. So I went ahead and bumper tucked it. Show you how we do that. It's really easily done. So you have 2 of these, 1 on each side. They're normally bolted to a little mount that swivels out, and it bolts right here. So you unbolt it, you just turn it. I just turned them and locked them in. They are inside here, if you can see. They're inside there. You can't really see, but I just turn them. Just turn them back in, and then you take yourself 1 or 2 big zip ties, not the normal ones. You want the beefy ones. So the real beefy zip ties. I put 2 on each side, zipped it all the way up. I zipped it all the way up to the frame. Right here, no jiggling. It's secure right here. So secured to the frame, that's it. And then I put this tape right here because I am painting this stuff now that you can see it. Now I put some rubberized coating on it so it looks good from the back, because it was oversprayed. There was overspray here, white and stuff, looked like shit. So now we got the good rubberized coating. This stuff right here, pretty good stuff, undercoating. And so I just taped off and sprayed the whole underside here. Not the exhaust pipes, not the frame, just the protection around the trunk right there, and then this little thing right here, fuel injection stuff. But yeah, looks good though. Bumper tuck, looking good. Gonna save, I'll save 1 mile to the gallon at least, which anything helps. Alright, you guys, signing out. Bumper tuck, Crown Vic, super easy. These are the little bolts I took out. That's it. One was already out anyway, so shit. Easy. It took 5 minutes. That was the funnest Crown Vic mod I've ever done. Alright guys, signing out.